In this video, I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to add your YouTube videos to your small business website. Right now, I'm pretending that I'm building a website for a nail salon using Mighty Sites. Mighty Sites is only $9 a month. Simple, easy way to build small business websites. But even if you're using another platform, you can easily do this as well. And I'm going to show you how to do this even if you're on a different platform. Mighty Sites, I'll put the link down below. It's only $9 a month. Simple way to do this too. Now, what you're going to want to do is go over first to something called Elfsight. And I'll put the link to Elfsight down below. It's got a free plan, and then it's got a super cheap plan for like $5, $10 a month, just if you're getting a lot of traffic. Now, all you do is you go to their YouTube page, and then you select what type of YouTube layout you want. So if you have lots of videos, maybe you could do something like this. If you just want to link to your channel, maybe something like that. If you just want to try and get subscribers, maybe something like this. So just pick the layout that feels most comfortable for you. I'm going to go ahead, or you can even do a single video if there's just one you want to highlight. I'm going to do the channel for now just to show you how that works and continue with this template. So after I do that, it's going to ask me for the source. So I'm going to go over here. I'll just grab the Mighty Sites YouTube channel because we're very active there. And I'm just going to paste that in, and then I'm going to add to website for free. Okay. It opened this up in my dashboard. Now I'm going to click on publish, and you can see when I click on publish and close, now I'm going to go to my widget right here, and I'm just going to click on install and then click on copy code. So it's really easy to do. Now, if you need a tutorial for any other website platform that you're on, those are all right here. So you can grab those here, and they pretty much got this for every type of platform, but I'm giving you the tutorial right now for Mighty Sites. So I'm going to click on copy code. I'm going to go over here to the nail salon, and now I'm going to scroll down right here to this Elfsight section, and I'm just going to paste in the code. That's all I had to do. Click on save widget, close, and now I'm just going to click on stop editing mode, and you can see what this looks like. Now for my nail salon, now I've got my YouTube channel integrated right down here below. And obviously this would not be for the Mighty Sites, but you would use your nail salon's YouTube. And then if I switch through this, now it's all mobile responsive too. That's the really nice part. This is all built that way. So I can go through and see all the videos. People can even watch them right there, and they'll just pop open and let you watch those videos without leaving the site at all. So it's super straightforward, easy to do to add your YouTube videos to your small business website in a way that works across devices. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll link to the Mighty Sites and I'll link to Elfsight in the description below so you can go and access those and give this a try yourself. Thanks so much for joining me. Hit that like and subscribe so we can catch you in the next video. Talk to you soon.